Hey guys, if your keyboard is being slow to respond or just feeling laggy, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can solve this. Now the first step is just to open up your start menu on your computer, search for settings, and then we're going to click on this settings window. In the left hand side, scroll down and click on accessibility, scroll down again and click on keyboard from the list of options. Now next to filter keys, you need to make sure this is turned off and disabled, and usually just by doing this, this is going to speed up your keyboard. Now, if that doesn't work, then we're going to close out of this window, head over to the start menu on your computer and search for run. Click on the run icon and then type in Control space keyboard and press enter. Now, next to where it says repeat rate, you need to make sure this slider is turned all the way up to maximum and then press apply and OK. Once you've done that, head over to the start menu and search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, you need to type in the following command, which is capital DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Just make sure to type it exactly as you see it on the screen here, and then you can go and press enter. Now this tool may take a few minutes to go and run, and it's going to check your computer for any errors or corrupted files, and if any files are found, it's going to automatically repair them. Now if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the start menu, search for device manager and click on the device manager window. Click on the drop down arrow next to keyboards and you'll see all of these different HID keyboard devices. You just need to right click on each of them, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers, and make sure you're running the latest driver. You'll also need to do the same for any of these HID keyboard devices. Just go through the list one by one. Now if your keyboard is battery powered, you also need to ensure the batteries in your keyboard are fully charged. This is another reason why your keyboard may be slowing down, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.